All I got to say is this is a beautiful way to start a Saturday morning. Hello, Houston, Texas City, all of America. Good morning from Cupcake Farms down in Texas City, Texas. Still early, obviously, but my. Are we having fun? These black crayons and brandy wines are sure popping quick. The early girls are coming along, and a bunch of them are fully loaded with tomatoes, so I figured in about 3 weeks we'll have those for market. My goodness, they look so beautiful. And I'm doing everything I can to Florida weave the trellis system to get them to grow up straight, with the exception of a few of those tomatoes that are indeterminate. So I had to string them from the top up. But I won't get wild and need any 16-foot ladders. I promise I won't let them get that high. Corn is sure looking sharp. It's coming along, and I love it. And one thing I wanted to point out this week in my wife's beautiful flower garden here is these marigolds. I, of course, planted all these by seed. Oh my, this one here has actually got a flower coming out. Beautiful. And marigolds are, of course, edible. So I would urge you to do some research on that and find out what the nutrients are in that. Of course, my wife's beautiful sunflowers, they're just looking gorgeous. Way back there is a black-headed sunflower. Oh, I bet you that's going to look so sweet. My goodness. But research marigolds and see what the nutritional value is on it. I guarantee you might like that. I'm looking forward to getting it planted. Onions looking great. Cucumbers are just coming along. I love it. But today is Saturday, folks, and I have sold all my radish. Well, almost all of them. I got about 50 radish left. Folks coming out here just after lunch. We'll start harvesting this here shortly, getting them washed up and clean. Same with the cilantro. It's gone. And lettuce is also gone. Of course, a bunch of them bolted on me, so I'm pretty much just giving those away. Silly heat. Everything's looking absolutely fabulous. Oh, I wanted to show you guys one thing, and I'm going to pause this so that you don't have to take the walk with me. But then again, looking at all this beautiful greenery, man, them squash are just coming unglued, and they're already flowering. I'm so excited about that. Carrots are just, we had actually ate one yesterday. They're so delicious. But here, let's just walk over here. Grandkids coming today, so cleaning the pool. My beautiful bride wanted mimosa trees. And again, look up the medical benefits to the mimosa tree. I love it. We got blessed, I guess it's been 3 weeks, maybe 4 weeks now. A lady here locally blessed us with 10 seeds, and we had 9 of the 10. No. Yeah, 9 of the 10. Excuse me. This one here is confusing me. I should just get that one out of the way. Put her over there. There we go. Now we've got it. And then I had some potatoes that went to seed. We're getting ready to put those in the garden this afternoon as well. But that's our Saturday morning update, folks. Join me here shortly. We're going to harvest those radishes here just before lunch. Folks start showing up over here to our little grow in Texas City. Cupcake Farms, I'm going to do all I can, and I'll research all I can to encourage you and to grow your own garden, grow your own food. The health benefits alone are insane. When you grow your own fresh veggies, it's so easy, it's so simple. I love it. It's so good for the kids. I'm telling you, my grandsons love coming out. The 2 that live here locally, they love coming out and helping Grandpa pull weeds or plant onions especially, and I'm sure you guys have seen those videos in the past. But that's it, guys. I thank you so much. You have a blessed Easter weekend, because tomorrow, of course, it is Easter. It is the day that we remember our Lord, who, of course, was raised from the grave. Oh, yeah, he left an empty tomb. Oh, I got to love that. So you guys be blessed this weekend. Enjoy that family time. Remember, farm, not pharma.